Meta's flagship metaverse app is too buggy and employees are barely using it, says exec in charge. Everyone in this organization should make it their mission to fall in love with Horizon Worlds. You can't do that without using it. What is that, a Zuckerberg quote? I don't know who that quote belongs to, or is it one of these executives? Is that what the headline
fall in
implies?
love with this face, though?
I'm in love. That's love at first sight right there. It's love at first. That's exactly what I look for. Yeah. Meta's VR social network Horizon Worlds, the company's flagship metaverse app, is suffering from too many quality issues, and even the team building it isn't using it very much, according to internal memos obtained by The Verge. In one of the memos, employees dated September 15th, Meta's VP of Metaverse, Vishal Shah, said the team would remain in a quality lockdown for the rest of the year to ensure that we fix our quality gaps and performance issues before we open up Horizon to more users. Ooh. It hit 300,000 users earlier this year and is supposed to be coming to mobile and desktop via web version sometime soon, though Vishal's memos imply a web launch could be pushed back. You were doing the Horizon Worlds, if I recall.
I tried it a little bit, and I said it here.
Yeah.
Instantly, there was bullying.
Right, yeah.
I just jumped in, and then some kid got bullied.
Bullying in the metaverse.
They were throwing balls at him.
Future. Currently, feedback from our creators, users, playtesters, and many of us on the team is that the aggregate weight of paper cuts, stability issues, and bugs is making it too hard for our community to experience the magic of Horizon. What do you think? They put it on hold? What's going to happen here?
Well,
freeze it?
They're having I think in Horizon launch very soon in October for their new VR glasses, headset, whatever it's called.
Isn't it just another Quest?
It is, yeah.
Oh, okay.
So I think that they're probably going to show off more Horizon stuff that could potentially be better. That looks like this.
Right. Higher quality. Well, it's true. He goes on Instagram and posts that, and everyone was like, whoa, that's quite different than what's out there right now.
Yeah.
But obviously a little bit more ambitious.
Yeah, it's next week.
Zuckerberg himself was recently memified after he posted a screenshot of his Horizon avatar to celebrate the launch of Horizon for Quest users in France and Spain. He had to quickly post a follow-up image with the better graphics. Listen, this project is so ambitious. It's just unlimited. You got to have questions. You have your concerns. You're Mr. VR, you're Mr. Meta, you're Mr. Zuckerberg, so...
I think the product is good. I think the Quest is really
you're talking about the hardware.
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever they did, just stick to that formula because it's good.
Well,
make it cheap. Make it.
Zuckerberg has said that there's some sort of philosophical war going on battle between Meta and Apple for the future of metaverses. If you had to bet today, in 10 years' time, you're in a metaverse, who does it belong to, Meta or Apple?
I would say long-term Apple.
Well, I said 10 years. Yeah. Because the thing is, Apple isn't publicly working on this right now. I mean, they've shown things off in AR.
But it is different, I think.
But Meta at least has a headset at the moment. Mm-hmm. I don't know.
And you're talking about AR and VR and all that stuff. I think Meta is really pushing 24/7 in a headset kind of idea.
Right.
You work, you play in the headset.
I can smell that already.
Apple, hopefully they don't.
What does that smell like? You live inside the headset, work, play. What does that smell like?
I think it's a combination of
Yeah.
Cheetos and
boy.
sweat.
Easy, Will. Okay. All right. Well, good luck.